Okay, we got our pre-treat down, as I mentioned in the first video, in and around the pump area of the diesel pad, and this was a 50-50 mix of EBC and water applied directly with a pump-up sprayer. Now what I normally do is, because this is a very concentrated mix from a pre-treat standpoint, we have the rest of the pad here, obviously, that we're going to be cleaning. Now what I do is, when I downstream my commercial mix, which is on this particular case, I think I went a little bit above a gallon of EBC to 4 gallons of water, and we're going to be downstreaming that 10-to-1. Now when I apply my downstream mix onto this concrete here, when I get over to my pre-treat area, I don't necessarily throw a lot of my downstream mix on this. I want to keep that concentrated pre-treatment on the pad or on the concrete. So if I throw my downstream mix onto that directly, it's going to dilute and it's going to be less effective. But what I do is sometimes I'll mist my downstream mix on this to keep it wet, to keep the chemicals, keeping the soap and the degreasing agents in EBC working, but not so much that I dilute away or wash away the pre-treatment mix. So just a little tip right here before we fire up the rig, and we will shoot some before and after pictures. Okay?